This is NATV Network. The best thing that we can do for ourselves is to remove toxic people and situations from our lives. Because we'll never know who we really are or the joys of life and the blessings that could come our way when we surround ourselves with and accept negativity, disrespect, or abusive circumstances. When we do that, we block our own potential and happiness. So, I promise you it'll be worth it. Creating new habits in those 30 days won't be easy all the time, but I promise you it'll be worth it. Each day, focus on self-care, journal, meditate, reconnect with things that used to make you happy, and you'll discover the person you were always meant to be. And I just wanted to go over a couple reasons why letting go of toxic people is so important. Because first we heal ourselves, right? And when we heal ourselves first, we step away from toxic dynamics. We give ourselves the chance to recover, reflect, and rebuild. You know, we can't pour from an empty cup. We must prioritize our mental and emotional health first. We need to set examples for our children. Children learn more from what we do than what we say. And when they see us choosing ourselves, setting boundaries, and prioritizing healing, they'll know it's possible for them too. And we need to break this cycle. Dysfunctional patterns don't have to continue. By letting go of toxic people, we take the first step in breaking the cycle of coercive control and abuse for future generations.